Well, we're here again at a park that I came to the other day, caught a really beautiful spotted bass, super dark. One of the things I was really intent on trying to do was get a frog bass, but it was really hard because this area that looks super great for frogs really wasn't, it was like lackluster. There was no really fish coming up, there's no fish chasing. I saw a boatload of baby fish fry at the end of the day, bass specifically. Baby spotted bass specifically. So I'd love to try to catch a bass, but in here, I don't know if they're existing in here. We'll see. Really nice lilypads would be awesome. Just have one slurp it. This is the zoom toad. I knew it. I knew it if I could just get the damn thing. Come on, get yourself unhung from there. There you go. Thank you. Beautiful spotted bass out of there. Can everybody just appreciate what just happened at the base of that tree? He smoked it just like I thought was gonna happen, because I said to myself on camera, that's the pattern I saw. Whoopsie daisy. There he goes into the deep. I thought maybe there'd be one over there. That's a nice fish. There he goes. There's literally a bass right in front of me. Like, that's freaking stupid. These little pockets are holding fish, which is just not insane to me, but it does make sense. Another beautiful fish. Caught. So how I'm doing this is I'm rigging that just like this. Oh man, dude. He rocked it. I couldn't get him. I don't think I even hooked him. Come on, dude. That is up. Big fish. Big fish. That one might be one to put on the scale. I think I'll put that one on the scale. Whew. Man, oh man. That is fun, I'll tell you what. .14. What's funny is that's the biggest one we've gotten yet. Okay, guy. Okay, get in there. There he goes.